Ever struggled with walking multiple dogs at once? You're not alone. Imagine the scene. You're heading out for a stroll with your four-legged friends. It starts off smoothly, but before you know it, you're tangled in leashes, pulled in different directions, and struggling to maintain control. This scenario is a common challenge faced by many dog owners when walking multiple dogs. When you have more than one dog, a simple walk in the park can quickly turn into a test of patience and agility. It's like a complex dance where each dancer has a mind of its own. The dogs pull in different directions, they stop abruptly or dash off after a squirrel, and sometimes they may even decide to play tug-of-war with the leash. Understanding each dog's behavior and temperament is crucial to managing this chaos. Every dog is unique. Some are energetic sprinters who love to explore, while others are leisurely strollers, taking their sweet time to sniff every blade of grass. Some are social butterflies, keen on meeting every dog they see, while others would rather enjoy a quiet, solitary walk. Taking the time to know your dogs and their individual quirks will help you anticipate their actions and reactions on the walk. It's like being a canine psychologist, deciphering what makes your dogs tick and how they interact with their environment. But understanding your dogs is just one part of the equation. The right equipment is another essential factor in making your multi-dog walks manageable. The kind of leashes you use, the harnesses, and even the type of collar can make a significant difference in controlling your dogs. Preparation is key. Just like you wouldn't go hiking without the right gear, you shouldn't embark on a multi-dog walk without being properly equipped. It's not just about making the walk easier for you, but also ensuring the safety and comfort of your beloved pets. But don't worry, we're about to make this task a lot easier for you. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of multi-dog walking, equipping you with the knowledge and strategies to turn this challenging task into a rewarding experience. Before you start, it's crucial to understand your dogs. This is the foundation of successful multiple dog walking. Just like people, dogs have unique personalities, energy levels, and walking styles. Having a grasp on these characteristics will not only make your walks more enjoyable, but it will also help maintain a harmonious pack dynamic. Let's start with behavior. Some dogs are naturally more submissive, while others may have a dominant streak. Recognizing these tendencies is vital. For instance, if you have a dog with a strong alpha personality, it's important to establish that you are the pack leader during your walks. This will prevent power struggles and promote a peaceful walking experience. Next, consider energy levels. A young, energetic Labrador will have a much different walking style than an older, more reserved Bichon Frise. Keep this in mind when planning your walks. High-energy dogs may require more vigorous walks or additional playtime, while lower-energy dogs might be content with a leisurely stroll around the block. Understanding your dog's walking styles is also key. Some dogs are pullers, eager to lead the way and explore, while others may lag behind, taking their time to sniff every leaf and blade of grass. Training each dog to walk nicely on a leash, according to their style, is crucial before attempting to walk them together. This will prevent tangled leashes and frustrated pups. Training should be done individually at first. This allows you to focus on each dog's specific needs and behaviors, and to reinforce good walking habits. It also gives you a chance to bond with each dog and learn their unique signals and body language. And finally, patience is your best friend. Understanding your dogs won't happen overnight. It's a process that involves observation, interaction, and lots of love. Be patient with your furry friends and yourself. Remember, this is a journey you're taking together, and every step is a chance to learn and grow as a pack. Remember, understanding your dogs is the first step towards a peaceful walk. With knowledge, patience, and a bit of training, you'll be a master of multi-dog walking in no time. Next, let's equip you with the right tools. Now, when it comes to leashes and harnesses, there are a plethora of options available. Traditional leashes, retractable leashes, slip leads, or even harnesses. Each has its own benefits and drawbacks. Yet, for walking multiple dogs, the recommendation leans towards using separate leashes for each dog. This allows for better control, individual attention, and minimizes the risk of them getting tangled together. But remember, leashes and harnesses aren't the only tools in your arsenal. Treats are your best friend when it comes to reinforcing good behavior. Always have them handy, but use them wisely. And let's not forget about poop bags. A responsible dog owner is always prepared for the inevitable. So invest in quality equipment. Your dog's safety and your peace of mind are worth it. After all, having the right equipment can make a world of difference. Now that you're prepared, it's time to walk. The walk starts long before you step out the door. It begins the moment you gather your dogs for their leashes. This action signals to your dogs that it's time for a walk, so it's crucial to start off on the right foot, maintain a calm and assertive demeanor, and ensure all dogs are calm before attaching their leashes. This sets the tone for a peaceful walk. Once you have the leashes on, it's time to venture outside. As the pack leader, you should always be the first one out the door, followed by your dogs. This simple action reinforces your role as the leader, and your dogs will naturally follow your lead. Walking multiple dogs is like conducting a symphony. Every dog has its own rhythm, pace, and temperament. Your job is to harmonize these elements into a smooth and enjoyable walk. If one dog likes to walk faster than the others, allow it but keep it under control. If another dog prefers to take its time, be patient, but encourage it to keep up with the rest. While on the walk, distractions are bound to occur. From squirrels darting across the path to other dogs passing by, these distractions can cause your dogs to react in different ways. Some may want to chase, others may feel threatened. It's important to remain calm and assertive during these moments. A simple command or a gentle tug on the leash can refocus your dogs and keep the walk moving along. Conflicts may also arise during the walk. Dogs are social creatures with their own hierarchy and dynamics. If a conflict arises, it's essential to address it calmly and assertively. A firm command or separating the dogs temporarily can help diffuse the situation. Remember, you are the pack leader, and your dogs look to you for guidance. With practice, walking multiple dogs can turn from a chaotic chore into a pleasant activity. Mastering the art of walking multiple dogs takes time, patience, and understanding. But once you do, you'll find it a rewarding experience that strengthens the bond between you and your dogs. Of course, not every walk will be smooth sailing. There will be times when your furry friends may act like they've never been on a leash before. Don't panic. Let's talk about some of the common problems you might encounter and how you can effectively handle them. Firstly, dogs pulling in different directions. It's like they've suddenly decided to explore all four corners of the earth at the same time. This is where your knowledge of each dog's temperament and habits comes into play. If one dog is more energetic, consider using a shorter leash for them to limit their pulling power. For the more passive dogs, a longer leash will allow them to stroll at their own pace. Next up, the tangled leash conundrum. Picture this: you're walking along, everything is going swimmingly, and then suddenly you're in the middle of a canine version of a maypole dance. The solution? Keep an eye on the dogs and their leashes. As soon as you see them starting to cross paths, a quick halt command and a little untangling can save you from a naughty situation. What about when one dog wants to stop and sniff every single blade of grass and the others just want to keep going? This is where patience and consistency come in. Allow a few moments for sniffing, then give a gentle tug on the leash and a firm "let's go" to signal that it's time to move on. And finally, let's tackle the issue of dogs getting overly excited or aggressive towards other dogs or people. The key here is to maintain control and assert your role as the pack leader. Use firm, calm commands to keep your dogs in check, and consider carrying treats to reward good behavior. Remember, every problem has a solution. It might take a little bit of trial and error to find what works best for you and your canine crew, but don't lose heart. With the right approach, even the most challenging situations can be handled. Let's quickly go over what we've learned. In the world of multi-dog walking, understanding your dogs is paramount. Recognize their individual temperaments, strengths, and quirks to ensure a harmonious walk. Equally crucial is the right equipment. Invest in sturdy, well-fitted harnesses and leashes to keep your dog secure and comfortable. Maintaining calm and assertive energy is the key to leading the pack. Dogs are astute creatures, and they respond to your energy. If you're calm and confident, they will follow suit. And then comes handling common problems. Whether it's dog-dog aggression, distractions, or pulling, remember that patience and consistency are your best tools. In the end, it's all about making the walk an enjoyable experience for both you and your dogs. Remember, walking multiple dogs is an art, and like any art, it requires practice. But with these tips, you're well on your way to mastering it.